Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix picture on Facebook profile. So go for your Facebook profile and click on this profile or picture, then choose profile picture. Then you have to choose a picture you wanna upload. So if I go for this one just randomly and go for save. So okay. Oh, so yeah, that's it. This is how you can fix picture on Facebook profile. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.